Every week, Jade, I feel like you come to the studio with different hair, whether it's long or short, blonde or brown. It always looks perfect and well done, and I just want to know what's your secret because I would like to do that too.
Well, I do my own hair. I've been doing hair for about 10 years. I also am LA trained makeup artist, so it's a big passion of mine besides TV. So I'm happy to show a little bit of my tricks. So today we're gonna learn about putting on fake eyelashes for that fun date or just to spruce yourself up. We're gonna do a fun lip. We're also gonna have something a little bit for the guys. But right now, we're gonna put some tips on the end of Raven's hair. This is something fun to do with already blonde hair, but you could also bleach it out and put some fun tips on the ends. I divided Raven's hair in 2-inch sections. I teased up the shaft of the hair to make sure that the ombre effect blended smoothly. It's a little trick that I picked up to make it transition. Each section has a different color. Some are teal, some are blue. This is gonna look really cool when mixed together. We're gonna set a timer for about 40 minutes, and while Raven is processing, I'm gonna show you bros how to do your brows without overwaxing them. Hi, Charles. No more unibrow today, huh? First, we have to clean the area before we apply the wax. I took from the middle and a little off the top. After you make sure all the wax is gone, you put a post-cooling gel on there so that it soothes the skin. Ladies like our men with clean lines. So now that we have that done, we're gonna proceed to the haircut. And Charles has been letting his hair grow out. He's going for the man bun look. But it's important to keep the sides nice and tidy, you know, to look professional. With Charles, we took a 1 guard to a 2 guard to a 3 guard. So it had a nice fade all the way up to his natural hairline. We left it really long, just took off a tiny bit, textured it. It's not exactly where he wants for the man bun, but it's gonna have some fun styles along the way. We got Charles all cleaned up, ready to go. He looks hot. You excited?
Always.
Yay! Remember to use a color-safe shampoo, and also don't overwash your hair. Treating your color with care is like an insurance policy for your hair. I am a color specialist. I love playing with trendy shades. I love how this turned out. These colors are really on trend right now. But as good as I am with hair, I'm even better at makeup. So let's step in front of the mirror and I'll teach you some of my makeup tricks. So the first step to applying lashes is to get falsies that are the same width all the way around. Second is to buy duo glue. It's a clear white adhesive and you can buy it at any pharmacy. Next step is to apply the glue. Use a thin line and let it sit for about 30 seconds. Then you're gonna apply that bad boy to the base of your eye. And this will dry clear. It's important for it to be dry a little bit so that you can manipulate the lash. Don't move it around too much until it's completely dry. And voila, you have beautiful, fun, flirty lashes. And now we're gonna go into having a fun, flirty lip. And dark colors are really in right now. If you have any like dead skin or anything, you need to exfoliate your lips. And you can do that with your toothbrush. Oh yeah, you gotta brush all those skinsies off. So after you get done doing that, you could just take some concealer or foundation. The reason why we do this is because it has something for the lipstick to adhere to. We're gonna take our lip liner. I like to make a really nice, thick line. Then we can take like a really thick lip gloss. And I like to put a nice lip plumper on top of it. And those lips should last you all night long. I hope you enjoyed my little tutorials. Now come and see me and get jaded.
You guys may not know this, but I got jaded.
I really like it. It looks good.
Yeah.
You did a good job.
Thank you.
What kind of things can I get done at your salon? I need some waxing done.
I mean, I do waxing, as you saw. My main passion is makeup, although I do love color and fun colors. I'm really good with color, but I specialize in print makeup. So I love doing photo shoots and weddings, because there's a lot of photography at weddings. I really would love to get you guys in there and play his hair and makeup and, you know.
Yes, I need to make an appointment with you, Stat, because this fro needs some touch-ups, and I want to do color, and I want to do a cut, and I want to have a great day at your boutique salon, just as every woman does. And I think we should make a deal that we're going to go get jaded with you, and then we're going to go to south of Chicago Pizza and Beef and stuff our bellies.
Done. I'm in.
And have a
Let's
great
do
time
this.
with snacking, eating, and
And we can also
coloring.
put makeup on John.
That part's not gonna happen. Not gonna happen.
Fashion and food.
Stay tuned. We'll be right back after this short break.